Man after my own heart. Let's do this.
Alright,
Okay.
so tonight we are gonna upcycle
These.
a pair of old shoes that I found on the sidewalk. These are dollar store find.
Okay.
Yeah. So these are dollar store find. So the whole idea about the show is basically you want to reuse the stuff to help the environment and reimagine the stuff in your house, right? The first thing I'm going to show you is actually how to actually treat your leathers. Leather is pretty much like your skin, right? So your skin get dry, so you want to moisturize it. You can use Vaseline.
Ah.
So Vaseline. Cheers!
I don't know where that came from.
Vaseline is also very good, and it also gives a nice softness to leather. And it actually, if you have a new pair of leather shoe and you want to break it in, you actually put Vaseline inside and out, and then you wear them just a little bit, and it will soften up the leather. So
I never ever do that. I just use this stuff.
yeah. So trick of the trade, because I actually used to be a buyer for high-end expensive.
God, what haven't
store.
you done? You've done everything.
To take a little bit of the Vaseline, as much you want, and then we're gonna apply the inside too, because this is where your skin gonna contact when you're wearing the shoe, right? So you want to make sure on the inside of the shoe it's nice and soft. Always treat your body with kindness, I would say, because most of us don't do that enough. We treat everybody else around us with kindness, but we kind of forget about ourselves.